How to open snaps on Snapchat web. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video of How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you the way that you can open up your snap that has been sent to you on your Snapchat but using the website. If this sounds helpful to you, then make sure you stick till the end and let's get right into it. Open up your web browsers and search for snapchat.com and then click on the login to chat option that you see on the screen. The next thing you need to do is log into your Snapchat account, and once you are logged in, on the left side you'll see all of the snaps that have been sent to you. To view any snap, you can just click on it and you can see all of the snaps that have been sent to you. But there is one issue with Snapchat Web. Snapchat Web does help you to view all of the snaps that have been sent in the form of a picture or a video like this, but if they have been sent in the form of a snap, you can only view it through the mobile app. So that's the current issue with Snapchat, and Snapchat does not yet have that option to view these kind of snaps from the website. So as of now, you can only view text messages and other videos and photos sent to your snap. Later on, Snapchat should also add in this feature, but as of now, you cannot view these kind of snaps on the Snapchat web. So I hope you guys liked this video and found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more informative videos similar to this. Thanks for watching.